A new dawn for foldable phones? The horizon of mobile technology is expanding, and foldable phones are at the forefront of this revolution. Foldable phones have come a long way. From the early days of basic flip phones to the sophisticated devices we see today, the journey has been remarkable. Early models were clunky and fragile. They often broke easily and lacked the finesse and functionality that users desired. The Huawei Mate XT changes all that. With its innovative design and robust build, it sets a new standard in the world of foldable phones. This phone is sleek, powerful, and surprisingly durable. It combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly experience. Is this the future of smartphones? With features that push the boundaries of what we thought possible? It certainly seems so. Let's dive in and find out. The Mate XT offers a glimpse into the future, with its advanced capabilities and sleek design. The Mate XT is more than just a phone. It's a statement. It tells the world that you are ready to embrace the next wave of mobile innovation. It says you're ready for the next generation of mobile technology. With its impressive features, the Mate XT is a game changer. Are you ready to unfold the future? The Huawei Mate XT invites you to be part of this exciting journey. Embrace the innovation and step into the future with confidence. Huawei is not new to the foldable phone game. The company has been pushing boundaries for years. The Mate XT is the culmination of that experience. It's a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation. The Mate XT takes foldable technology to the next level. It addresses many issues found in earlier foldable devices. Huawei has clearly learned from its past. The result is a phone that feels polished and refined. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. The first thing you'll notice about the Mate XT is its design. It's stunning. The phone is thin and light, even when folded. The hinge mechanism is smooth and sturdy. You can feel the quality in every detail. Huawei uses a special aerospace-grade steel for the hinge. This makes it incredibly durable. The screen is also protected by a special polymer coating. This helps to prevent scratches and cracks. The dual display advantage, work and play, redefined. The Huawei Mate XT is a game changer in the world of smartphones. The Mate XT has two screens, offering unparalleled versatility. There's a large, foldable display on the inside, which transforms your phone into a mini tablet, and a smaller standard display on the outside, perfect for everyday use. This gives you the best of both worlds, combining convenience and functionality. You can use the smaller screen for quick tasks like checking notifications, sending messages, or making calls. Then unfold the phone for a tablet-like experience, ideal for browsing, reading, or watching videos. The large screen is perfect for productivity, allowing you to work on documents, edit photos, or even create presentations. You can easily multitask with multiple apps open side by side, enhancing your efficiency and workflow. Watching videos is also a joy on the big screen, providing an immersive experience. The possibilities are endless with the Huawei Mate XT, redefining how we work and play. Power and performance. The Kirin 9000S takes center stage. The Mate XT is powered by Huawei's latest Kirin 9000S processor, a marvel of modern engineering. This chip boasts an advanced 5nm architecture, offering superior efficiency and performance compared to its competitors. With its integrated 5G modem, the Kirin 9000S ensures lightning-fast connectivity, making it a leader in the market. The processor's AI capabilities are unmatched, providing intelligent resource management and enhancing user experience. You'll never experience lag or stutter with the Mate XT thanks to the Kirin 9000S, making it perfect for both work and play. It can handle even the most graphically intensive games, providing a seamless gaming experience with stunning visuals. The Kirin 9000S is a true powerhouse, designed to meet all your performance needs and more, making it an ideal choice for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike.